GRIDSMART Site Survey Review. Now that you've decided to deploy the world's most advanced traffic detection system, there's an important step to take before ordering your GRIDSMART equipment. You need to conduct a site survey. Let's walk through the GRIDSMART Site Survey form. This form will help GRIDSMART make sure your purchase and installation go smoothly. Google Earth provides much of the information needed about the intersection. You should use the aerial, street view, and measuring tool to conduct a preliminary survey. You may also want to visit your intersection to gather the information required to manage your new system. What type of environment surrounds the intersection? Is it rural or urban? Is it flat or are there hills? What do you want your system to do for you? Stop bar detection? Data collection? And how many approaches and phases are in play? The form also asks detailed information about your existing traffic cabinet. We need to know the type of cabinet you're using and the gear already installed inside. Tell us where you intend to mount the camera, how high off the ground will it be when installed, and the estimated cable run from the camera to the cabinet. Be sure to include the pole height, arm, and pull boxes in your calculations. This survey also allows you to enter information about the type of mounting pole and hardware you will use or need to complete the installation. Several options are listed. Finally, if you have images, we would like to see photos of your cabinet as well as any shots from the air or the ground that would help us ensure an easy install of your new equipment. When the form is complete, export it as a PDF and email it to your GRIDSMART sales representative, along with any pictures, and we'll get your order underway.